Most of us picture Mars as a red desert under a dusty sky. But did you know that as the Martian sun sets, the sky turns blue? Yep, on the red planet, sunsets flip our earthly expectations. And today, we're diving into the cosmic science behind why Mars has blue sunsets and why Earth has the opposite. Here on Earth, sunsets are typically orange, red, or even pink. That's because when the sun gets low on the horizon, its light travels through more of our atmosphere, scattering the shorter blue wavelengths and letting the reds and oranges shine through. But on Mars, it's flipped. The skies during the day are kind of a hazy tan or reddish hue, but at sunset, the horizon around the sun glows a cool steel blue. It's not just an artistic touch from sci-fi movies. NASA's rovers have captured actual images of these Martian sunsets, and they're stunning. So what causes this reversal? The key difference? Dust. Mars has a very thin atmosphere, about 1% the pressure of Earth's, and it's filled with fine particles of iron-rich dust. These dust particles are just the right size to scatter light in a unique way. On Earth, air molecules scatter shorter blue wavelengths more effectively, which is why our sky is blue during the day. But Martian dust does the opposite. It's better at filtering out the red wavelengths and letting the blue light through, especially directly toward the sun. So when you look at the sunset on Mars, the light path is longer, and the blue light, which would normally be scattered away on Earth, is actually focused toward your eyes. NASA's rovers have been watching these sunsets for years. The Spirit and Opportunity rovers first confirmed the blue twilight glow back in the 2000s. Then, in 2015, Curiosity delivered a breathtaking color video of the Martian sun dipping below the horizon, surrounded by a cool blue halo. This wasn't just pretty, it gave scientists valuable data about the size and behavior of dust particles in Mars's atmosphere. In a place where storms can cover the entire planet, understanding how dust moves and scatters light isn't just about aesthetics, it's about survival for future missions. Imagine standing on the surface of Mars as the last light of day slips behind the horizon. The red desert around you slowly fades, and instead of orange or crimson skies, a deepening blue glow radiates from the sun's final arc. It's a surreal, reversed version of our own world. The Martian day, or sol, is only slightly longer than Earth's, about 24 hours and 37 minutes. But with that extra time comes a whole new palette of color and wonder. So next time you're watching an Earth sunset, remember this. Out there on our rusty neighbor, the skies tell a different story. One where day fades not to red, but to blue. It's a beautiful reminder that even something as universal as a sunset can feel alien, depending on where you're standing in the cosmos. If you enjoyed this glimpse into Martian magic, hit that like button, subscribe for more space mysteries, and let us know in the comments. Which planet do you want to see a sunset on next? Stay curious, stay cosmic.